Can your washing machine handle a queen size comforter? A Speed Queen top load washer can. Speed Queen washers are capacity rated to manage large and heavy laundry items, like queen size comforters, which become even heavier when wet. To wash your queen size comforter in a top load Speed Queen machine, lay the comforter loosely around the agitator in order to ensure even weight distribution. Be sure to select the bulky setting on the electronic control panel. If you follow these simple steps, your Speed Queen washer will treat your queen size comforter with tender loving care through each wash cycle, every time. Speed Queen, designed to save you time and money.